Hi friends, welcome back. That here she's a very big devotee of Sri Krishna and she's asking for her depressions to be removed. Now let's see the Vyakhya of these stanza. इस पद में कवयित्री मीरा भगवान श्री कृष्ण के भक्त प्रेम का वर्णन करते हुए कहती हैं कि आप अपने भक्तों के सभी प्रकार के दुखों को हरने वाले हैं, अर्थात दुखों का नाश करने वाले हैं. So here Kavitri saying that Sri Krishna, you are the one who removed the depression and sadness of everyone. दुखों का नाश, you are the one who removes all kind of sadness of people. मेरा उदाहरण देते हुए कहती हैं, we have seen the example she has given. द्रौपदी की इज्जत को बचाया, साड़ी के कपड़े को बढ़ाते चले गए. जिस तरह आपने अपने भक्त प्रहलाद को बचाने के लिए नरसिंह का शरीर धारण कर लिया. दिस इज ऑल व्हाट आई एक्सप्लेन, राइट. और जिस तरह आपने हाथियों के राजा भगवान इंद्र के वाहन ऐरावत हाथी को मगरमच्छ के चुंगल से बचाया था. सो हियर अगेन व्हिच आई सेड, ही हैड बिकम ऐरावत, ओके, टू इन ऑर्डर टू प्रिवेंट देम फ्रॉम मगरमच्छ, दैट इज अ क्रोकोडाइल. श्री कृष्ण उसी तरह अपनी इस दासी अर्थात भक्त के भी सारे दुख हर लो, अर्थात सभी दुखों का नाश करें. सो इन सिमिलर मैनर प्लीज रिमूव my all sadness also. This is what Mirabai said in the first stanza. Now let's move on to the next one. श्याम महाने चाकर राखो जी, गिरधारी लाला महाने चाकर राखो जी. चाकर रहस्यु बाग लगास्यु नित उठ दर्शन पास्यु, बिंद्रावन री कुंज गली में गोविंद लीला गास्यु. चाकरी में दर्शन पास्यु, सुमरन पास्यु खर्ची, भाव भगति जागिरी पास्यु, तीनों बाता सरसी. Here again I'll be explaining two lines. Syam Mahane Chakar Rakhoji. Syam means Shyam again stands for Sri Krishna. Different names are given but stands for the god same Sri Krishna. Mahane means mujhe, me. Chakar. Chakar matlab naukar. Naukar means servant. Okay, so here Mirabai is saying that Sri Krishna, keep me as your servant. Girdhari Lala Mahane Chakar Rakhoji. Again here Girdhari Lala stands for Sri Krishna only, and the same line is being repeated but with a different name of Sri Krishna. That's all. That is Mirabai saying again, please keep me as your servant. Chakar rahasyu bag lagasyu nit ut darsan pasyu. So Chakar, that is knocker, me, as a servant, I will keep, I'll make a bag. Bag means a garden. Lagasyu. So she says she'll make a garden for what? Ut darshan pasi, so that I can wake up and visit or view. Darshan means to visit, pasi means to you. I can visit you. Okay, whenever I want, I can just look at you. Bindravan re kunj gali mein Govind Leela gasya. Bindravan means Vrindavan, that is garden. Kunj gali, in a narrow gully, in a narrow path of this Vrindavan, of the garden, I will sing. Okay, Govind Leela. Govind is Sri Krishna. Leela means Gungan, in appreciation of Sri Krishna, I will sing. Gasyu means to sing. Chakri mein darshan pasyu, sumran pasyu kharchi. That is, being a servant, I will darshan, I will visit you. Sumran pasyu kharchi. Now here what you have to see is that in the next two lines, first we have to look at this line. Teenu bata sarsi means teeno bate, that is all the three things. Now let's see which three things is Mirabai speaking about. Okay, first thing is Chakri mein darshan pasyu. I can as a servant I'll be able to view or visit you. Second thing, Sumran pasyu kharchi. I can always, Sumran means smaran, that is to remember. So she says now no more remembrance or that feeling of not getting Sri Krishna, keeping on thinking about it. All these things will not irritate her anymore because she can anytime visit Sri Krishna. Bhav Bhagati Jagiri Pasi. Bhav Bhakti means all her feelings, all her bhakti, her worship will all keep on increasing. Jagiri Pasi will keep on increasing. So these are the three advantages. Tinu Bata Sarsi. Sarsi means advantages. These are the three advantages which Mirabai is speaking about in these two lines. Now let's see how to write its prasang. प्रस्तुत पद हमारी हिंदी पाठ्य पुस्तक स्पर्श से लिया गया है. इस पद की कवयित्री मीरा है. This is the same two lines we write for all stanzas. इस पद में कवयित्री मीरा श्री कृष्ण के प्रति अपने प्रेम का वर्णन कर रही है और श्री कृष्ण के दर्शन के लिए वह कितनी व्याकुल है ये दर्शा रही है. So here Mirabai is trying to show that how much she is in love, in devote, in loving, worshipping the Sri Krishna, and also that how much she is restless to visit for the darshan of Sri Krishna. Let's see how to write its व्याख्या. इस पद में कवयित्री मीरा श्री कृष्ण के प्रति अपनी भक्ति भावना को उजागर करते हुए कहती हैं कि हे श्री कृष्ण, मुझे अपनी दासी बनाकर रखो, अर्थात मीरा किसी भी तरह श्री कृष्ण के नजदीक रहना चाहती है. So here Mirabai is saying, just keep me as your servant. In some or the other manner she wants to stay nazdeek, close to Sri Krishna. मीरा कहती है कि दासी बनकर मैं बगीचा लगाऊंगी ताकि सुबह उठकर रोज आपके दर्शन पा सकूं. मीरा कहती है कि वृंदावन की संकरी गलियों में मैं अपने स्वामी की लीलाओं का बखान करूंगी. मीन्स एज आई टोल्ड यू, आई विल सिंग इन अप्रिसिएशन ऑफ श्री कृष्ण. मीरा का मानना है कि दासी बनकर उन्हें 3 फायदे होंगे. आई टोल्ड यू विच 3 एडवांटेज शी इज गोइंग टू गेट. उन्हें हमेशा कृष्ण के दर्शन प्राप्त होंगे. दूसरा, उन्हें अपने प्रिय की याद नहीं सताएगी. रिमेम्बरेंस द थॉट ऑफ श्री कृष्ण वोंट इरिटेट हर एनी मोर. और तीसरा, उनके भाव भक्ति का साम्राज्य बढ़ता ही जाएगा. सो हर feelings and her love for Sri Krishna will keep on increasing. I hope I am clear till now. If you have any doubt, please don't forget to mention that in the comment section. So let's move on to the next lines. मोर मुगट पीतांबर सोहे गल वैजंती माला, बिंद्रावन में धेनु चरावे मोहन मुरली वाला. ऊंचा ऊंचा महल बना बिच बिच राखूं बारी, सावरिया रा दर्शन पास्यूं पहर कुसुम्बी साड़ी. आधी रात प्रभु दर्शन दीजियो जमुना जी रे तीरा, मीरा रा प्रभु गिरधर नागर हिवड़ो घनो अधीरा. So this again I'll be explaining in two lines. Now here we are going to see how Mirabai is explaining how this Sri Krishna looks like, how he looks, his appearance is being described in this stanza. More mugat. More means peacock. Mugat means mukut. That is the crown. Pitambar sohe. Pitambar stands for Sri Krishna. So Sri Krishna's his crown is being decorated with, is made of all those feathers of more, of a peacock. Gal Vaijanti mala. Gal matlab gala. That is neck. In the neck there is a Vaijanti mala. Vaijanti is a type of flower, and there is a garland of these flowers on his neck. Bindaravan mein dhenu churave. Vrindavan. Vrindavan means garden. Dhenu is Gai, Pashu. Charave is to graze. Okay, he goes for grazing in Vrindavan in garden. Mohan Murli Wala. He's the one who stands with the flute. You know, right? He's the one who Murli bajata hai. He plays flute. ऊंचा ऊंचा महल बना बिच बिच राखूं बारी. Now here Mirabai is saying, I will create a very high, ऊंचा ऊंचा, बड़ा बड़ा महल. I'll create a castle, बिच बिच राखूं. In between I am going to make a very big castle. In between of what? In between of a bagh, a garden. Savariya ra darshan pasyo. Savariya stands for Priya. Okay, out of love we say this. Here it stands for Sri Krishna. Pehar kusumbi sadi. Pehar means pehenkar. I'll be wearing a kusumbi is the color here. Sadi. Wearing kusumbi colored sadi. I'll be I'll be always in darshan, in visiting Sri Krishna, and I'll create a huge castle for him. Adhi raat prabhu darshan dijiyo jamna ji re tira. Here Mirabai is saying, even at Adhi raat, in midnight, please come Prabhu. Prabhu is Sri Krishna. Please come and visit me. Dijiyo Jamna ji. Jamna ji is Yamuna, that river. Tira is the shore. At the shore of Yamuna river, please come and meet me, even if it is midnight. Meera ra Prabhu Girdhar Nagar Hivdo Ghano Adhira. Here now Meera is saying, Meera ra, that is Meera ko. Come and meet me, Prabhu, that is Sri Krishna. Hivdo Ghano Adhira. I cannot wait anymore. Hivdo means heart. Okay, my heart cannot wait anymore. Hadira means it is restless. It can't wait anymore. It wants to meet Sri Krishna as soon as possible. And so she is saying, please come and visit me. Even if it is midnight, I have no problem. Okay, let's see how to write its prasang. प्रस्तुत पद हमारी हिंदी पाठ्य पुस्तक स्पर्श से लिया गया है. इस पद की कवयित्री मीरा है. इस पद में कवयित्री मीरा श्री कृष्ण के प्रति अपने प्रेम का वर्णन कर रही है और श्री कृष्ण के दर्शन के लिए वह कितने व्याकुल है. I think it has become cut. यह उसके बारे में वह बता रही है. So she is telling about how much she loves. That is what in the entire poem we can see how much she is a big devote, big worship of Sri Krishna. And she's saying, I can kitni vyakul, matlab she is very restless. She cannot wait anymore. She just wants to visit Sri Krishna. लेट्स सी इट्स व्याख्या। मीरा श्री कृष्ण के रूप का बखान करते हुए कहती हैं कि उन्होंने पीले वस्त्र धारण किए हुए हैं, दैट इज श्री कृष्ण इज वेयरिंग येलो वस्त्र क्लोथ, सर पर मोर के पंखों का मुकुट विराजमान है और गले में वैजंती फूल की माला को धारण किया हुआ है। यू मस्ट हैव यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस इफ यू हैव लिसन्ड हर्ड माय explanation of those lines. वृंदावन में गाय चराते हुए, that is grazing the cows, जब वह मोहन मुरली बजाता है एंड ही इज प्लेइंग फ्लूट, तो सबका मन मोह लेता है, मीन्स ही अट्रैक्ट्स एवरीवन्स हार्ट। मीरा कहती है कि मैं बगीचों के बीच ही ऊंचे ऊंचे महल बनाऊंगी, आई क्रिएट हाई कैसल्स इन फ्रंट इन बिटवीन अ बगीचा अ गार्डन। कुसुम्बी साड़ी पहनकर अपने प्रिय के दर्शन करूंगी, अर्थात श्री कृष्ण के दर्शन के लिए साज श्रृंगार करूंगी। I'll just what to say for Sri Krishna. Okay, I'll sajana matlab saj savarna, right? We say in Hindi. That is, I'll be ready. I'll wear all those what is a sari, and I'll wear all those ornaments and be ready to visit Sri Krishna. All these lines actually shows her love for Sri Krishna. मीरा कहती है कि है मेरे प्रभु गिरधर स्वामी, मेरा मन आपके दर्शन के लिए इतना बेचैन है, इट इज वेरी रेस्टलेस, कि वह सुबह का इंतजार नहीं कर सकता। आई कैन नॉट वेट टिल मॉर्निंग। मीरा चाहती है कि श्री कृष्ण आधी रात को ही जमुना नदी के तट पर आकर उसे मिल ले। He just comes at the shore of Yamuna river and comes and meet her even if it is midnight. Now this is a very small poem, and though when we read those lines we feel it is very difficult, but I'm sure with my explanation it would be clear for you, and you have fully understood this poem. Still, if you have doubt, please, as I said, you can mention it in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.